Welcome back to our channel, Haminator and Haminator. Today we will be attempting to make a stop motion animation with this miniature airport that I built. Well, you might be thinking, what is stop motion? Stop motion is a bunch of pictures that are clicked and then being formed together into a video to create an animation. So, I've made this airport. This is Haminator's colorful airport. I have my cars over here and my aeroplane. Whoa. I've made this contraption that lets me hold the airplane from above. Turn my hand back, the airplane goes up. Turn my hand down, the airplane goes down. Well, this is how I made the airport. Building the airport was hard, but this is how we made the stop motion animation, because the next step is to actually make it. I was holding all the props and was attempting to move all of them slowly and slowly and slowly, while Haminator stood in front of the camera and clicked all of the pictures. Click, 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 click. Okay, so now it's time to edit the pictures. Let's see what I can make.
Okay, so this is how you edit the stop motion animation. First you open Google and type in cloud stop motion. Press the first link, cloudstopmotion.com, and sign in. You can make an account to get more space. I have made a fake classroom as that gives you more space to process your work. I'll just be signing in quickly. There you go. Now this is the animation that I've made and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so all of these pictures at the bottom are called frames. Frames are the names that we call the pictures. You can even have fun words that you can add in your stop motion through this website. And here are the picture settings. You can upload images and you can make the playback speeds faster and slower. I like 4 frames for this specific animation. It basically makes your animation slower or faster. This is how you export your file. Basically, this is the converter on converting it from a stop motion picture into a video. It does take some time, but it plays your stop motion animation in the background. That's why I had to hide it. Well, now I can download it, and it also displays you a video of it.
Okay, so now the stop motion animation is ready. Now you guys have to tell me if it's an R or a Nelly. Let's have a look.
This is your captain speaking. We will be flying at an altitude of 40,000 feet, and it's a great weather to fly today. I hope you enjoy your flight. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed your flight with Haminator Airlines, and please do make sure to join us again. Thank you. See you next time.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Haminator and Haminator.